Okay, today we're going to do a cabin air filter conversion on a 76, 78 or 79 series Toyota Landcruiser with the old style mesh screens in them. This is all they came with originally. It's just a mesh screen. So if your model has the place for the mesh screen and this white plastic vent flap on it, our filter conversion will fit this model. This model only ever had a mesh screen originally. So this is just the old style mesh screen that they used to have in them from new. And we have made a conversion for these to actually fit a proper cabin air filter with 3 layers of activated carbon, 1 coarse layer and 2 fine layers, all on our flexible base so that you can bend them to get them in past the dashboard. This fits the Landcruiser with the plastic dashboard and also the metal dashboard. You may need to widen the slot to about 19 millimeters to accept our filter, because our filter fits in like so. We have removed the filter box out of the cruiser to make it easier to show you how to fit them. Usually you have the dashboard here, install, you will bend it up like that, and then you will install it in the slot and slide it all the way in. Until it clicks on the clips on both sides. This is the filter once it's installed in your filter box. The small lugs on either side slides into the housing like so, and it gives you a nice seal all around the edge in here and right up into the back of the filter box. And your vent flap will still work to move from recirculate and outside air. This is a view from the top of the filter box looking down. This is where the outside air comes in, and then the flap on the side will close and allow for recirculating air